Hello. In this video we will learn how to easily color tone any photo in Photoshop. So, keep watching. First, we will go to Adjustments panel, and choose Gradient Map. Double-click here. And from Presets choose Green. Choose the one that best fits the picture. You can add other colors, or leave it as is. After completion, press OK. After that, choose Soft Light from the Blending Mode menu. And reduce the opacity to 28%. Or to the extent that the image fits. I hope you learned something new from this video. In the next video, we will learn how to easily color tone any photo in Photoshop using a color palette. So stay informed. If you learned something new, subscribe to the channel and press the like button, and do not forget to activate the bell button until the videos come to you first. See you soon.